What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, a warm welcome to you. This is Sister J. Thank you so much for stopping by. To all my channel members and all my supporters, I love you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the love. As you can see by the title, I am making sweet and sour veggie chunks. Come along with me, let I show you how I do this Sister J's way.
Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time when you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend, them comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. One leap of spice of it there in the pot. Sister J, she no play to the world where we say when not time to cook, she no delay. Me swear.
So here I have orange, pineapple, ginger. I'm just going to use a piece of this pineapple. And here I have carrot, bell pepper, tomato, parsley, onion, scallion, thyme, and garlic. I also have ketchup, honey, all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, cumin, black pepper. And here I have the star of the show, the veggie chunks, otherwise soy chunks. So I have my water boiling on the fire, and I'm going to add the veggie chunks to that. And I'm going to cook these veggie chunks until tender. So now my veggie chunks is cooked and feeling tender and soft. I'm going to just drain the water off. And now it's time for me to season the veggie chunks. The reason why I do it like this in terms of the seasoning is because the veggie chunks, if you know veggie chunks, it is dry and hard. So in order for it to get soft, you have to add some liquid to it. So I just had some cumin, and now I'm adding the vegetable seasoning. Some salt-free seasoning, some garlic powder, some chopped onion, some cilantro leaves, and I'm just mixing this up. Yes, guys. So it's time for me to make my sauce for my veggie chunks. So I'm adding a small portion of butter to the pot, and I'm using the plant-based butter. So I'm going to add a small portion of olive oil to that so my butter don't get burned. And now I'm going to add some garlic and some grated ginger. So this is not the traditional sweet and sour sauce. This is one of Sister J's way of doing her sweet and sour sauce. It depends on what she's doing the sweet and sour with. So I'm adding some carrots, and I have the carrots sliced a little thin. And now I'm adding the celery and the tomato, because I want the celery and the tomato to spring me some liquid. So I'm adding it at this point. Now I'm adding the orange juice and the lemon juice. I'm adding some honey You can also use brown sugar for this recipe. I'm just using the honey. So now I'm adding some tomato paste, tomato sauce. I'm just mixing this out. Pot is bubbling away. Now I'm adding the onion, the scallion, the thyme, the bell pepper, and some garlic powder. Now I'm adding the veggie chunks, guys. And if you're here for the first time and you're not yet connected with me, go ahead and hit that red subscription button and put that post notification bell on so you can be notified of my future upload. Okay? Now I'm adding some all-purpose salt-free seasoning. And I'm just mixing that up. And now I'm adding the pineapple. Guys, the pineapple tastes good in it. I must say, it tastes good with the pineapple. Yes, guys. So this is my take on my sweet and sour veggie chunks. Guys, on my channel, I also have the brown stew veggie chunks and the curry veggie chunks. So, yes. You'll see the brown stew veggie chunks there and the curry veggie chunks there. So now I do the sweet and sour. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Eat good, live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Yeah, man. Please subscribe for more.
Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it day in the